Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an E44 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So first things first, the E44 error is a locking error. So the machine does not sense that it's able to lock properly. So like with all of these errors, this can be happening for one of two reasons. One, there is a problem with the actual thing, it's not locking. And the second thing could be there's something upstream that's causing this error, like bad wiring, a bad sensor, or a problem with the control board. So if it's one of those things, you're probably better off calling a technician to figure out exactly what's going on. But before you do that, you should check and make sure that the mechanics of the lock are all working properly, because a lot of times we can fix this problem just with that. So what we want to do is just kind of come in here and look in here and make sure we don't see any debris or buildup of lint or anything like, or even like grease and stuff that can get in here that can prevent the mechanics of the lock from working properly. We might even be able to see like a broken piece of plastic in there that would indicate that something's broken, we need to replace it. And same thing on the latch. Make sure there's not a buildup of anything that could be preventing the lock from working properly mechanically. And if it's not that, you're probably going to need to call a technician. But if it is that, it's something that you should be able to get cleared out on your own and get your machine working again. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.